without you knowing it, Leviton GFCI outlets are helping to protect you and your family from electrical hazard. Hi, I'm Stacy, and I'm the product manager for GFCI outlets at Leviton, and we're here to talk to you today about how to keep you and your family safe. Did you just buy a Leviton GFCI outlet? You installed it, the LED light is green, but you can't press the reset button, and when you plug something in, there's no power. This is called reset lockout, and it's a safety feature to make sure you and your family are protected. What it means is that the receptacle was probably wired incorrectly, and the line conductors were connected to the load terminals. If you've done this, your GFCI will not reset or power anything that's plugged into it. Simply disconnect the conductors, swap them, then press the reset button again, and you should be good to go. So now your GFCI is wired properly, LED light is green, everything's great. These devices run a self-test constantly to make sure that they can respond to an actual ground fault. If the device finds a problem and it's able to trip, it will. What you need to do is press the reset button to get it back into the normal working condition. And if that reset button won't allow you to press it, it means there's a problem and the GFCI needs to be replaced. On top of this continuous self-test, you should test your GFCIs every month. Simply press the test button and then press the reset button. If it lets you press the reset button, everything is good. If your GFCI does trip, press the reset button to put it back into a normal working condition. If the device continues to trip, you probably have a true ground fault and need to call a licensed electrician. For more information, click on the link or watch the other videos in our series.